Guess me come back with my mix. You already know what me put in there. Put some more rum, you see me?
Guys, no more I'm not making in this house.
Yes,
that's
sir.
better.
Yes, sir. We need those.
More rum, eh? Really.
Tastes good, tastes good.
Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes. And guys, I'm gonna make a quick Jamaican rum punch for you. I blend some cranberry juice because I had some cranberry in the freezer. Alright, so let's get into the video. Please remember to leave me one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content, okay? You can go ahead and you can mix a big jug, okay? But I'm going to show you how you can just make just enough for you and your other half, you know what I mean? Or if you just drink by yourself, okay? And we're going to use some lime. I put my glass in the freezer, okay? So we're going to work with this part first. I'm going to cut some slices. I'm just gonna rub the lemon around the edge, all right? And I have some sugar here, and I'm just gonna put it around it. All right, something like that. You can put it back in the freezer, or you can put it one side. I'm gonna put back mine in the freezer. Now I have my martini shake here, or whatever you wanna call it. Now I'm just gonna get some lime, sorry guys. You can use more. Pop that in there. Pow. And I have about 1/3 cup of cranberry juice. I'm going to pour that in there. And here I'm going to use some fruit punch. This is Cool Runnings. I'm going to give it a little shake. Or you can just blend up some natural fruit. It's up to you. I'm just going to measure out everything for you guys. I have 1/2 cup. I'm going to pop 1/2 cup in of my fruit punch. And this is my mango nectar. Mango is good. I'm going to use 1/2 cup as well. Ooh, I'm going to put about 1/4 cup of guava. 1/2 of that just for the flavor. I have some blended pineapple juice and I'm going to put a little bit. Before I add my pineapple juice, I just want to squeeze up the lime in it a little bit. The lime juice, let you get some of the lime juice in it. Alright. And now I'm going to add my 1/2 cup of pineapple juice in it. Look at that goodness. Here's the bad boy. Ray and Neville. Alright. And you can put more or less, okay? We're gonna put about a tablespoon or 2. You need some ice. All right. I'm just gonna put 1 cube now. And then we're gonna cover it. And when you cover it, give it a good shake. And the bar girl a serve up things, you know. All right, good shake guys, shake it. And that's it. I have this umbrella, I got it from Amazon. I will leave a link. And we have our lime pieces, okay? You need some cherries, optional, okay? You can put any fruits of your choice. I'm gonna put 2 cherries on it. All right, something like so. Piece of the lime. Just poke it in the middle, watch your fingers. Pop off the top. Ready for it, guys? And that's it. Woo! Let's pretty it up. that's it right there. This is my Jamaican rum punch for you. All right, easy and quick. And if you want, guys, you can go ahead and blend up some fruits. All right, but I'm just showing you how you can do it easy, really refreshing and tasty. This is all for the rum head them, all right, the rum lovers. And look at that, guys. Yes. All right, love upon me and I love upon you. I'm gonna ask my son to come and taste it. I'm here.
Yo, welcome back to the channel. Mother makes some Jamaican rum punch. How you put in it?
Lots of see, there's a fruits juice.
Of all kind, guava.
Yeah, fruit juice. Yeah, guava, mango, pineapple, cranberry. So
Well, I'm gonna try it anyways. I smell some alcohol. It's strong. Strong.
Honest opinion. Okay, you guys, you see the reason why me don't make no alcohol in this house, yeah? This boy a rum head, you hear me tell you?
You want a little bit more alcohol though? Just a little bit more.
No, no more.
What do you mean? It tastes good, but I want a little bit more.
No, I put like
backbone in there.
No, I put 2 tablespoons. That's enough for you. Lots of people don't want it strong. If they want it strong,
you hear what she said? 2 tablespoons alcohol. Want a little bit more?
No. If you want more alcohol, go ahead and put more in it, okay? But how it tastes overall? You finish it though?
Yes, refreshing.
Yeah?
Yeah. But you want more alcohol though, not like fruit.
No, no more. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. You tell this boy bye.
Bye.
Okay.